So we have a view of the yard here. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here in Bakersfield, California. Behind me we're going to be taking a look at this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and it's currently in the market for $379,900. So let's go inside and take a look. So we're here in front of the driveway, and as you can see as well, it does have a lot of space for RV parking as well. And we can see here that the property is a 2-car garage. And let's go inside and take a look here at this property, which again is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. And on top there you can see that it has solar panels as well. And then the stucco here, we do have some brick. And let's open this double door to head inside. Now let's take a look here, making our way, make a right here towards the kitchen. So you can see this nice kitchen area here. You do have your stove there, your cabinets as well, and then over here to the side you have your dishwasher, and then more cabinets as we can see. Over here, this is a space for the refrigerator, and then towards this door is the 2-car garage. But at the moment there are items of the seller, so we're not gonna be opening the door. A few items there, but it's big and spacious, wide enough for 2 cars. Then let's make our way here from the kitchen there. We have the living room, and we have a nice fireplace area here, also nice with the details. It does have those bricks on the back that you can see. Then stick around towards the end. I'm gonna show you the backyard, and you're gonna be liking this property. Reason why too, it has a back studio, so you can definitely turn that into either a work from home room or a type of gym or a game room, something like that. And right here we're looking more at the living area here, this property. So from all the way over there to over here you have this big living area. And then a little side note too that you can see here in the bottom, you have your pet doors there for cats or dogs coming in. And down below, quickly too, I want to mention below you can find my information where you can reach me at. I do have a great loan officer that's able to qualify you for some good loan programs. So make sure down below, check my phone number where you can reach me at, and we can definitely set you an appointment to see what you qualify for, as well as your monthly payments for a property. Right here we have a storage space here, cabinet, and then off to the side here in this hallway, more cabinets here. And then now let's go over here, make a left turn to check out the first room here. Check out this room here. And we also have that one facing window here where we have a view of the neighborhood as well from over there. And then take a look at the whole size of this room. We have the closet there with some racks as well, custom there, where you can put your supplies. Then let's make our way to this other room that's also in this side and similar in color from the previous room that you can see on here. It does have the closet there that you can see, and so new seller can definitely change the color from these rooms, but it looks like if it's been painted similar like the first one as mentioned. And now let's head here to the first restroom that we can see. We have the vanity there with 2 sinks and this nice big mirror that you can also see there. Then over here would be your toilet there. Have a cabinet on top there as well. And then over here off to the side you would have your standing shower here. So you have your bathtub at the bottom and then your standing shower head as well there. Now let's go and check out the primary room, which would be this one. And let me give you the whole view of this primary as well. From this window you kind of can take a look at the studio back there, but you can't see it really well. So right now we're gonna go outside and take a look at it, right? Okay, so now let's go over here, check out at the primary restroom here. Let's check it out. Right here you do have your closet area here that you can see. And then you also have your vanity. I'll show you right now at the moment, but right here you would have your second bathroom. You have your toilet to the side, and then some nice cabinets here as well. That's matching in color with throughout the whole property. And then right here, this would be your primary shower here for this primary. And then you have this nice little customized tile material there. Same material that you can see right here in the vanity is what the bathroom has there. So this type of material that you can see right here has in the bathroom there. And now let's go take a look at the back studio, which thank you for sticking around. Leave a comment down below. You're gonna really like this property that you're gonna be taking a look at the back studio right now. But before we go back there too as well, I do want to mention that I do help out sellers as well. If you're interested in selling your property, my information is down below as well, and we can definitely market your property like in this video, so we can get you qualified buyers and get you the best possible offer on your property. And now with that, let's go back there and take a look at the back studio. So let's open this door here and let's go and check out this backyard. So we have a view of the yard here that you can see, and over here would be the back studio. Then right here we have a fire pit right here as well, before we go and take a look at that. So for your nights here enjoying with the family. Then this would be the back studio here. So let's go and check out these rooms. And like I said, many possibilities for you that you can customize this room and back studio however you want, right? You can either make it a work room for your business, for your job when you're working from home, or a type of gym, or maybe another unit where another family member can possibly even live, or you can rent out, right? So this is the other room from the side of this studio, and you can also potentially make this into either a bathroom, restroom, kitchen, something else that you might like, right? Customize it, make it into like a rental unit, or like I said, for family members to live with you here. So let's go and take a look at this other part here. You have your little garden area here with this canopy, and then there's another room here. I did see that it has like a little setup for a kids playroom, so we're not gonna be going inside there, but this room you can potentially maybe put like your gardening equipment or other items. But yeah, let me turn around here so you can take a look at the rest of the property. Over here there still is some items from the seller, but again, you have plenty of space back here. Once this clean out, you have more RV parking space here, and then you do have that gate here that leads towards this side where you can bring your RV in. Okay everybody, so I hope that you enjoyed this property tour. Down below in the description, I'll be leaving all the information to this property. Also down below, you can find my information where you can reach me at if you're interested in buying or selling a home in Bakersfield or surrounding areas. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.